I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a card from your Rabobank account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Rabobank account. Start by accessing the Rabobank app or website. Enter your login credentials to get to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Card Management. Once logged in, find the Card Management section. This is usually located in the main menu or under Account Settings. Step 3. Select the card to remove. In the Card Management section, you'll see a list of your cards. Click on the card you wish to remove. Step 4. Initiate card removal. Look for the option to remove or deactivate the card. This might be labeled as Remove Card or Deactivate Card. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm your action. You will likely be asked to confirm your decision to remove the card. Make sure to read any warnings about pending transactions or fees before confirming. Remember, if you have any recurring payments linked to the card, you'll need to update those before removing it. I hope this helps you manage your Rabobank card easily.